We read about the space, we read about animals, we read about so many different things. Do we see those different things on our daily life all the time? Do you see stars all the time? When you read about the stars, do you see stars all the time?
No, ma'am.
Then what happens?
Ma'am, his mind
It's
was
partially
diverted in
correct.
knowing. Ma'am, his mind was
Partially
diverted.
correct. His
Ma'am, his mind was diverted in knowing Mahatma Gandhi.
his mind was diverted. See, you must have heard about a simple experiment where you put on a glass, or you can say a convex mirror, in front of a paper under the direct sunlight, and paper burns. But you keep a paper right in the area, in the same area, without a glass or a mirror or a reflector or a lens, the paper does not burn. Why? Do you know this experiment or not?
What?
Actually, convex lens focuses the sunlight at the point, at a single point.
Exactly. So the point here is not about reading about one thing. The point is how much concentrated you are towards it, how much focused you are towards it. Isn't it? एक होता है when you just listen about a fact and you just forget about it. But when you think about it on an internal level, when you focus on it with entire energy and mind, what happens? You kind of sometimes see those things in your dream. ऐसा होता है?
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
you felt it? Right? So this is what Munna Bhai did in the film, that he kept on reading with all his attention and mind about Mahatma Gandhi, because of which he actually made him real for himself. It was not real for the world, okay? But it was real for him.
Yes.
Okay. So, did anybody saw the series Panchayat or Kota Factory?
Mama, I watched Kota Factory all the episodes.
Okay, you watched Kota Factory. Have you any
Yes.
opinion of the subject or anything? What was the most interesting thing that you saw in that series?
The most interesting, Vaibhav Pandey, that he shifted from Itars to Kota for a Kota IIT preparation. So
Huh?
he shifted to the hostel. So the him, Meena and Uday. At the last, their viewpoint changed, that talk to your parents, and their parents' decisions are very decisions may be wrong, but their intentions are never wrong. So in the starting they were different, but in end, because of Vaibhav, they changed a lot. So this
Right.
was
And what was the significance of the character Jeetu Bhaiya in the series?
ma'am. He was a
He essential for the series. Couldn't Vaibhav himself have evolved this way in the journey?
yes,
ये तो
ma'am.
ऐसा कर सकता था ना? What was the need of Jeetu Bhaiya in the series?
Ma'am, he was a motivator. He played a very important role in the whole series, because Vaibhav to do anything, because he was set a goal of and feel like you are living in this as your home.
Yatharth, is the sound coming from your house?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Right. Okay, so yes, the character Jeetu Bhaiya helped Vaibhav in coping up the difficulties that he was facing as a student.
Yes.
Because, acha, chalo, let's start from here. Today we will be having a debating session, and the topic for debate is very interesting. Can you relate? Why didn't I introduce this earlier? I introduced this after Vaibhav and Jeetu Bhaiya's conversation. What the topic could be related to?
I did not see the series.
Okay, I'll give you the briefing that there is a character, a student named Weber, and he's coming from a small town to Kota for his IIT coaching. He's in 11th class, but he's taking an IIT coaching, right? And he's not able to cope up with the difficulties of a new place, a new environment, where he's unable to understand the subject, he's unable to understand the environment, the people, and there is just one friend, and he is also unable to cope up with these difficulties because they are on the same level. They are unable to think from a different angle. And then there is a character which is a teacher, but they call him Bhaiya, Jeetu Bhaiya. And he helps them how to, be above from those problems and tackle them efficiently. Okay. So what do you think the topic of debate will be?
How to easily tackle
With a debate, not a essay. Debate.
No idea. Related
idea?
to this topic.
So the topic of debate for today is that teachers are no longer required for learning purposes. E-learning is sufficient for students. I'm giving you 2 minutes to think about this topic. What do you feel about the topic? It can be for, it can be against. No worries about that. So, do you want to be in teams
Yes, ma'am.
and have a debate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 children. What to do?
1, 2, 3, 4.
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं. We'll have a separate individual opinion here. But for वाले for में, against वाले against. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
I hope you got the topic now. What is the topic?
Yes.
The sentence says that teachers are no longer required for learning. E-books or internet method is sufficient for students to pass or to learn. Your thoughts can be for, your thoughts can be against. Arohi,
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I think Shubh is not added in my group. Can you send the link to him? He generally comes in these classes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sending.
Send the link to him also.
No, then we could divide the teams.
Then we could, but for now, think about the topic, whether you want to be for the topic or against the topic. We'll have the teams for a different topic. Okay? Abhi warm-up
Should I
session.
tell?
We are having a warm-up session right now.
Ma'am, should I speak?
How to be in a debate. No, you only speak when you are asked. Okay, just wait for everybody to be ready. You have 1 more minute to think about the topic, then we'll discuss. Okay, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have some points in mind?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Meanwhile, the person is speaking, the rest of you will focus on what points he is speaking and counter back if you are against the topic. Okay? If the
After
person
he
is
speaks.
after he speaks, if the person is for the topic, you can counter back it by posing questions or by speaking in against of the topic. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can also count for fillers as well. So, who will start? Aviral, will you start? Aru, you want to start?
No, ma'am, can I do it on the second or third turn?
Okay. Arohi, will you go? Will you start?
Okay, ma'am, I'm starting.
Okay.
So, ma'am, against this topic that teachers are no longer required for the students and e-learning is sufficient because teachers play a very important role in students' life. They teach not only teachers related to the topic, but also they teach us about the life, the moral ethics that a student should have, and they help us to cope up with every difficulty we have in our life. So they are very important in our life, and e-learning is not sufficient because e-learning will not teach us about moral ethics and manners that students should have, and uh, that's
Very
it.
good. Okay. Any other point? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anyone who will counter back this? Or anyone has a question for Arohi?
No, ma'am.
No question?
No, ma'am, she was completely right. Even I thought of similar points.
Okay, but in a competition, if you are in a competition, you need to have to ask a question. You should ask a question. This is the trick. This is the trick to make the other person feel less confident.
Ma'am, like she said, like they help us to teach moral ethics. But moral ethics can be also read online, and could be explained by any of the family members.
Exactly. That was my point, that moral ethics can also be presented or could also be explained by one of the family members. And we do it in the on a daily basis.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, our parents tell us what is right and wrong. Our parents guide us. Our friends sometimes guide us that this is not the way to do. You should not be doing this. Right? So we have people in our social group who keep a check on our immoral things that we do. Then I don't think teachers are really required.
You are saying this.
I am saying this. I am talking as a person, not as a teacher.
Ma'am, but
I have
she was
point for
actually
both
right.
purposes.
Matlab-
I have, dekho, when you are saying this and somebody counterbacks it like this, that we have people at our home to teach, we have
Yes.
friends to teach, then what will you do? What will your answer be?
But teacher provides a good briefing of the moral ethics or any of the circumstances. None other than any of the family members.
Okay. How much time do you spend at home?
Teachers are there.
How much time do you spend at home?
Ma'am, in this lockdown, so everybody is spending whole day.
24 hours.
24 hours.
Okay, 24 hours for now. But
Yes.
what will happen when once the schools are back in the form, everything is going
18 hours. 18 hours.
That is
18
next
hours
month.
at
That is the
home.
only thing.
Okay.
18 hours.
That when we will stay with teachers, then most of the day we will spend the time with teachers only. So they will only help us to cope up with everything.
Exactly. So whenever somebody counterbacks your point, you should be ready with another point to speak. You know?
Yes.
Right now, what you could have done, you could have answered the question with a question, just like I did. How many hours do you spend with teachers and how many hours do you spend with parents? Can you sit with parents 6 hours straight,
Ma'am, but the first
just
6 hours.
talking on moral values?
But the first 6 hours of the day we spend with teachers mostly. Matlab,
हाँ,
when the lockdown
exactly.
is not there.
That is the point. That is the debate. That is the debate. Okay, you cannot sit 6 hours with your parents having the same moral value discussion. Can you do this?
No, it's quite boring.
Exactly. But do you feel bored in a school? With
No, ma'am.
teachers?
Ma'am, teachers matlab, tell us in practicality. Like,
Exactly. Okay. Anybody to counterback this?
ma'am, I was speaking for against, but I did it for.
Yes. How are you counterbacking this? Okay,
Now
Arohi,
I'll
do you
mute
have
my
any
mic.
other point? Arohi, do you have any other point to speak?
Ma'am, I think this is enough because what points like this is totally different. That teachers are needed at any cost. Like without them, we'll not be able to do anything. This is my point. So,
Okay.
any other points
Ma'am.
which required you?
Ma'am, they give us the teaching of to react in a difficult circumstances, like examples of real life scenarios.
Okay.
With
Chalo. Now your turn. Yatharth, your turn. For
No.
or against?
no, ma'am, you
Whatever
said
you want.
Aviral, we have a split second. I'll be third.
Acha, theek. Aviral, ready now?
Might need just some more time.
Arey, Aviral,
Ma'am,
better you will
ma'am,
lose all the points. Everybody will speak all the points. Then you will have nothing to speak at the end.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Speak
please ask
now.
me.
You will not be able to come up with new points. There are limited points. Either yes or no. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
And in a debate, you cannot just mute your mic and sit idly. So Yash and Yatharth Verma cannot do this. It has to be an active conversation. So Yash, Yatharth Verma, at least keep your mic open. If you have anything in mind, just speak again.
Ma'am, but some students have a good point, like they scold us or something. So we don't need teachers.
Exactly. We have many points for against as well. To say that we don't require teachers.
Ma'am, I have 1 point with for admission.
Okay, you have 1 point more. Chalo, batao.
That whenever we do something wrong, like our parents just usually used to ignore it because they think that at home nobody is seeing and nobody is pointing out. But when at school we do something wrong or we speak something wrong, teachers are usually there for pointing us out that you are doing this wrong. You should do this like this. So that is
Exactly. Wonderful point. Wonderful point. At home, we are in our territory, right? That is our area. And whatever we do, nobody is there. What will happen? What is the most serious thing that could happen?
We get by, basically.
Sometimes. Girls even don't get that. Agree, Arohi?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, what? Girls don't get by.
Girls
Ma-
don't get, beating or scolding in a proper sense.
I thought they don't get relieved.
We are just told that beta, this is not the way. You shouldn't be doing it like this. This is not done. This is something you cannot do. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
At least my parents did this way. I was never scolded in a very strong or, harsh voice or something.
Ma'am,
And
scolded
I think
is a
Aviral
very
has a
small
point here. I think Aviral has a point here. He has a sister at home. Aviral,
Yes, ma'am.
agreeing to this point?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the point? Actually, I was thinking about the topic.
You get scolded in a harsh or a rude manner rather than your sister. Arey, it's a yes or a no.
Ma'am, not always.
Not always. Okay. Diplomatic answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Because
Always.
okay. So the point here is that at home we are in our own territory. Right?
Yes.
So what will happen? The maximum thing is, acha, it's okay. Next time you won't do this. Please remember this time. Next time don't do this. Even in next time, even after doing it next time, you will again get a warning
No, ma'am.
like this.
No.
Yes.
Okay? But what happens at a school?
First time.
What happens with teachers?
First time pointing out.
First time pointing, second time is scolding, okay? And third time ki we don't really go to the third time. You people listen in first 2 or 3 times only.
Yes,
बात
ma'am.
समझ जाते हैं. You people are intelligent people. I
Yes,
hope.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. नहीं. Okay. Any other point? Aviral, your turn now.
Ma'am, just a
Ma'am, one more point.
अच्छा, one more point. चलो,
And we have the permission to counter back.
you have all the permission to counter back.
Ma'am, e-learning can give our eyes can get affected because every time in front of phone we will just use internet and everything. So that is the disadvantage of e-learning. We should not do it. But in class, practically we see everything on the board. You're teaching us, and we used to get it into it. So that is different. So e-learning a disadvantage.
Okay, but I would like to point out here.
Yes.
Achha, wait. I will not point it out. Yatharth, Aviral, Suyash, or
Ma'am, like what if you study on e-learning for some time and just note down the key points and just get it briefed by your parents or something?
Yes, exactly.
What, ma'am? I'm not able to listen.
Matlab ye that you can. It's not really important to keep looking at the screen and learning through the screen. You can jot down the important points
Or make notes.
Make notes and understand it by your parents or general by yourself, or learning or writing it on your own.
Ma'am, it's sometimes, but not every time we just jot down the points and write everything. Like in
I
exams.
know you people are very lazy.
No, ma'am.
Like making notes.
No, ma'am, we make, but not every time.
Not every time. Yes. Okay.
So,
And then it is appropriate, right, to use for sometimes, like use a screen for sometimes.
Nobody is pointing out a very, very crucial point here.
you should have the mind skill, memory skills. You should just jot down the points in your mind rather than writing it on paper.
Exactly. Sometimes we don't feel like, going to the paper and pen technique. We just keep the things in our mind. Yes, it happens. It's very common. But all of you are missing a very important point in this very argument.
Or ma'am, we could just read the chapter and the points that we could understand ourselves can be understood by ourselves. Then the point that can't be.
I will speak just one line, and this whole point will be nullified. But I want you people to come up with that point. Take into account the present scenario.
Yes, ma'am, in e-learning teachers are there only, no? They're
Exactly. The entire point. See, the debate is for the teachers, either for the teachers or against the teachers. E-learning doesn't mean that, dekho, when you are watching a video on YouTube, which is where a teacher is explaining something, there is a teacher there. बात समझे? So it doesn't mean that you don't, it becomes a for topic that we can learn from YouTube, learn from.
Ma'am, I have a
distance learning.
Yes.
Even in those sources, you need a teacher, right? तो ये तो for के लिए it will be a, it will not be valid.
Ma'am, I just have a query. Ma'am, like you gave the example of YouTube. There is just a video teaching, of a teacher teaching us the various points. Ma'am, like how if some points are not clear, if he or she is using a high-fi language, and how will we clear it out?
Online learning
And
can't
if,
clear it
and
out.
if nobody is there at home, like
हाँ,
nobody
ठीक
is
है.
able to
So
explain.
the simplest thing that you can do is move on to a simple, easier video in your own language. Why do you have to
No, but
see the
each and every
same
video can't be understood.
Yes.
Just each and every
Exactly.
video has.
But then you can use, you can search for the exact points which can be understood by you, which are suitable for you. See, a topic such as water cycle is presented in class 6 also, and is there in class 9th also.
No, but you are the host.
Also. 10th also. But so you can find out the videos which is suitable to you. छोटे बच्चों को देखा है आपने राइम सुनते हुए?
Yes.
Have you
ma'am.
noticed how they go about on the YouTube? Have you seen Shauna or Richie doing the same thing?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
They will click on the video and they'll hear it for 1 or 2 seconds. If they don't find it entertaining, they will change the video. Why? Because for them it was not entertaining. Similarly, for the learning purposes, if you don't find it interesting, if you can't understand through that video, you will change it. Simple.
One more point.
Ma'am, but each and every video has some point that could not be understood with that.
Ma'am, but ma'am, if we have
Exactly.
a new topic, then it can be that we must not understand.
Yes, ma'am, we might get confused.
I mean, if we have a new topic, not like water cycle and all.
Better then also there are hundreds of videos on a single topic.
And
Have you
there
ever
is only
searched any
one
topic?
Ma'am, teacher can tell us in just one
Or do
experiment.
yes,
But
ma'am,
ma'am,
practical.
we are learning about Newton's second law. First, we have to know what is inertia. Then, all teacher can simply tell us that if you're standing on a bus, it suddenly gets a brake. You will move forward. That is inertia. And if we are doing e-learning, then we have to open a video.
Yes, ma'am. The teacher can give practical examples from real life scenarios. That's what I said.
Right. Okay. Okay. I'm really happy that the teacher is for the topic and the children are against the topic. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Any other thing that comes to mind?
One more point for
Okay.
the motion, that teachers take out different ways for explaining us things. Like if in one way we are not able to understand, but the video that we are seeing on internet, it is having only one way, and we cannot change it to perspective.
It is a
One thing
one-way
I am also
communication.
not able to understand is, are we for the topic or against the topic?
I'm for the topic,
Okay.
and I'm speaking for the topic only.
Arohi, you are speaking against the topic. The topic is that we don't want teachers. We don't need teachers. So you are against the topic, and since I am talking, in favor of the topic, that makes me speaking for the topic.
Ma'am, but ma'am, I also have a point. Ma'am, like teachers knows you better how matlab, what is the way that you in which you can understand better. But a online teacher
Exactly.
doesn't have your understanding.
Exactly. See, the prime motive for teachers to teach you, students, is that of a human, emotional touch with you people. Right?
Yes.
Online,
ma'am.
you will not have that emotional touch. It will be all superficial. It will be all, on a surface level. आपने पढ़ा, you read about the topic, you comprehended the topic, and you understood the topic. But how to apply it on a daily basis, how to relate with the topic, with any other topic even, how to emotionally tackle that. See, every topic has an emotional bed. Every topic that we teach in our schools is somewhere related to yourself. Like for chemistry, that we teach chemistry in our school, and okay, so when I teach chemistry in a school or in a class, what do? I relate things to your level, right? Making it personal, so that you can experience it, so that you can, feel
Understand it better.
and understand it better, right?
Yes.
Okay. So no one is for no one is for the topic. Everyone is against the topic.
Not everyone did not speak like
Did not speak. Yes. Yatharth and Suyash, your turn. Yatharth Verma.
Ma'am, who gave the best counter back and points?
You people are missing on the fillers. You did not point out the fillers.
Ma'am, I counted myself like I did 7 fillers in every counter back. Matlab, total I did 7 fillers in each counter back.
Okay. Suyash. Suyash. Aviral, ready now?
मैम मैंने बताया तो थे.
First, you need to check your tone every time you speak.
Ma'am, I've told the point.
Even then, your tone is similar. You change the language, but your tone is similar.
Ma'am, I've told the points.
Now your tone changed. You need to keep a check on it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, Yatharth Verma. Yatharth Verma. At least switch your mic back on. I think he's not even there. He just left.
Ma'am, in all classes he does that.
Anyways, there is a similar topic where you can increase. You will have more topics or more points to speak on.
Ma'am, telephone teams.
It's kind of a similar topic. There is no point of making teams. It's okay. You speak individually.
Yeah.
So the topic is homeschooling is a better option instead of sending the child to school. The topic is that homeschooling is a better option instead of sending the child to school. आप घर पे बैठ के पढ़ाई करें और फिर सिर्फ एग्जाम देने जाएं.
Ma'am, we could relate this to the previous points like
हाँ, exactly.
teacher gives you like real life
Wait.
examples.
This is better or coming to school is better?
What? Ma'am, should I tell?
Bolo. Yes.
Ma'am, you learn to communicate with two different strangers like you previously don't know. Like somewhat you're new to
Exactly.
them. And you
see,
cope up with that situation.
School is a form of miniature society.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So as a child, you learn how to behave in a society, how to, relate things in a society. When you grow up and, be on your own in the outside world, you relate things that you learned in your school. How to speak to a teacher becomes how to speak to a boss. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
How you respect them becomes the respect that you have for your boss. Right? So, the entire thing, the entire system of a school is based on miniature. It is kind of a miniature society.
And I mean, whom you are familiar to them, that you are easily able
In
to
home,
communicate.
you are in your home. There is no point of discussion here. You have all the liberties that you want, and you don't need to learn anything new. You don't
So basically
need
you are in
to
comfort
socialize
zone.
to people. Exactly. In your comfort zone.
But you have to cope up with the difficulties you'll face in your life. That's what school teaches us.
Okay, exactly. Yes.
Did I give good point today?
Yes, you did good points today. You did get good points today. Okay, another topic? Should we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The topic is a highly competitive environment good or bad for working or studying?
Ma'am, can we speak for both sides? Because it is a basically balanced.
No, you cannot speak for both sides. Either you are for the topic.
Then
The topic is a highly competitive environment good or bad for studying or working if you are in a working class? If you compete with everyone in the class
Working class, like
for every little activity that happens in the class, will it be a healthier thing? Will it be a good thing or a bad thing?
ma'am, can we just speak the positive and the negative both?
No, you cannot.
Ma'am,
You
because
have
it
to choose a point. You have to choose a side.
ma'am, in
You
like
have to speak only for that side.
ma'am, and for this topic, it is good. Ma'am, basically, in school level, you have to be competitive because it will help in your future. Like the competition will grow stronger and stronger. Then it will help you cope up with strong competitors.
Okay. Anyone to counterback this?
no, ma'am.
Can you see the topic now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anyone to counterback this?
Ma'am, but I have a separate point. But on working, it is like this was for studying. Like in working, it is a bad environment because like you are not enough confident to just present your work, and you get
Even in working, see, I just mentioned a fact that school is a miniature society. So if you are competing, if you are competing in a school life as a student with everyone that you meet in your class, then it becomes a habit, and you will
Yes.
do the same thing in your future life when you are working.
you basically
So it's the same thing. You cannot say that it's good for studying purposes and it is not good or healthy in a working environment.
okay.
Either it is good, either it is, or it is bad.
Ma'am, it is good. Yes, ma'am. Was it is helpful? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For him, competitive spirit is good. Right? Yatharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Arohi, Aviral, Yatharth, Suyash,
So yes,
do you have any? Okay. Do you have any other opinion?
It is good. Highly competitive environment is good for studying and working both because it helps to develop confidence in us, and we are able to show our capabilities, what we are able to do, what we are not able to do. If we are seeing that other person is more good than us, better than us, then we try to improve ourselves. So it's good. Competitive.
Okay. But
It helps us
it's a
to
question. It's a question for all the people who say that it is a good thing. Can you imagine the situation where you have been entirely and very aggressively competitive, and you compete to win? Okay, you just
Ma'am,
not
can you
compete
repeat
for
the
participation.
question? Can you repeat
It's just a situation. It is not a question. It is a situation.
Ma'am, please tell I may have.
Wait. Let me speak. The situation is that you are extremely competitive, aggressively competitive, and you compete because for winning. You don't compete for participation. You compete for winning. What will happen if you lose? You come
Ma'am, that
last.
will create a kind of aggression in us that we are not able to win, and it's bad, and we'll able.
No,
So don't you think it will have a very negative impact on your mental
ma'am,
health?
can I tell?
Yes, ma'am, it will have.
Ma'am, next time
How
if
would you
we
say that it is a good thing?
I mean, it is a good.
Creating a negative impact on your mind, it is decreasing your confidence. It is giving such a negative impact on your mind. How can it be a good thing?
Ma'am, sure, I have a point.
Okay.
Like we lose, we have that impression that next time we will be aware that we have to compete for participating and then try to work hard and matlab, be the first one. So basically, it is a good point
Okay.
because it is making us aware for the next time.
Okay. But what happens if you lose the second time? You competed for the for the competition. You prepared well this time. You thought you have worked all the angles, but somehow you got defeated. You
Number T, yes, ma'am, but as I told that compete for participants, but try your best to be the first. But if that
you didn't say this in the earlier time.
Ma'am, in the earlier point, I said that it would make us aware that we have to compete for this participation, and then we have to try the best.
Ma'am, the exception that you are saying that we will, this is an exception. So this is a different point we are discussing. But
See, there are various people, even you people, when you will pass class 12, you will be ready for the competitive world. You will be applying for different courses, and as we know that most of the people here that we are having a debate with are very intelligent in their fields, right? And they are praised in school, they have all the luck they need, but they fail in the final exam. Final exam is your AIEEE or IIT or JEE or NEET exam or any competitive exam that you thought was very important for you.
But if you know that we give it our best,
Wait. You failed in the first attempt. What will be your mental situation?
ma'am, I will be more prepared for the second time. Like, ma'am, I'll know that I tried my best. So the next time I'll use that aggression of competition to just be selected.
It is easier said than done. What will be the exact situation? I know you are not like that. You are you have a healthy competitive spirit. But what about those people who thought they were the best in their field and somehow they, maybe because of their overconfidence or luck or whatever you call that, all the factors are there. Somehow you lost, you failed.
Ma'am, so but we aren't speaking from our perspective.
Yeah.
We aren't speaking from our perspective. Like overconfident would
Every time you speak because of your perspective.
No, overall it is bad, but
It is very difficult. It is very difficult to imagine and say things from a different perspective because we don't really look at different perspective. The perspective that we have is the only perspective that we speak from. Don't you think?
yes,
आप कुछ बोल रहे हो तो इसीलिए बोल रहे हो ना because you think about it. You think that this is the way the things are. You see it in that light. Are you getting my point or not?
No, I would be sad for a couple of weeks, then start studying for the next attempt.
Okay. For a couple of weeks, you'll feel sad, and then you'll, back on
More determined, man, basically more determined.
more determined. Okay.
and ma'am, there is no other any option also because it is needed also, and sometimes for those who have failed in this thing, so they will not like this competitive environment. But
But what if we apply for a different course than in which we aren't selected?
that's good then.
Come again.
Ma'am, like what if we change our course in which we aren't selected and then change our course in which we aren't selected?
That is totally different. This is
What are you implying to say here? That you have chosen a different field after failing?
this is
Yes, and we could do that, but it will not
then this
have
is
like-
pointing out your
Yeah, I know.
thing.
Yeah, I
Don't
got
think-
it. It is a different.
Yes.
If you're changing the field just because you lost, it's like you left the competition there and then. And
Coward.
you moved on to a different. No, not coward. Not coward. You need to choose your words very, keeping in mind what kind of words that you are using. Think about the words that you use.
Ma'am, so what will be the
person
correct
as
word?
coward? You cannot label them as cowards. You can label them. First of all, there is no point of labeling anyone. If you think you are coward for changing the field, then I'm sorry, but you need to change your mindset. Are you getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you have heard the news about Sushant Singh Rajput.
Yes, ma'am.
I know that this is not the time to possibly address this issue, but I think it's important. And I chose this topic for the last topic for debate to bring out this topic only, to bring out this special issue. You don't really come back on the mode after a few weeks of crying that you lost.
Yes.
It normally doesn't happen the same way. If you can, it is a very good thing. If you can, you are very well motivated, you have a healthier mindset. But what if you don't? What will happen then? What will be your plan of action? What if you cannot motivate yourself enough to get back on the track and you cannot keep up with yourself? You could not motivate yourself enough to get, studying again. What will you do?